Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit white gray filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -71. Highlights to -71. Shadows to -18. Whites to +18. Blacks to +29. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to +20. Tint to +1. Adjust vibrance to +35. And then go to color mix. First go to red. Hue to -25. Saturation to +2. Luminance to +6. Next go to orange. Hue to -13. Saturation to -5. Luminance to +61. Next go to yellow. Saturation to -100. Luminance to +41. Next go to green. Saturation to -85. Luminance to +37. Next go to light blue. Hue to -26. Adjust saturation to -63. Luminance to +100. Next go to dark blue. Luminance to +100. Next go to purple. Hue to -24. Adjust saturation to -23. Luminance to +85. Next go to pink. Hue to -21. Adjust saturation to -27. Luminance to +89. And done. Next go to Effect panel. clarity to +4. Grain to 3. Go to split toning. Highlights, H, to 231, S, to 5. Balance to +27. And done. Next go to detail. Sharpening to 10. Noise reduction to 12. Color noise reduction to 12. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.